Welcome to Bizarre Phenomena. If you want to continue in Hindi, please click the link above. Climate change is the defining issue of our time, and we are at a defining moment. Our planet is undergoing unprecedented changes, and the consequences are impacting every aspect of life on Earth. Climate change refers to long-term changes in temperature, precipitation, and weather patterns. The primary driver of recent climate change is the greenhouse effect. Greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide trap heat in the atmosphere, causing the Earth's temperature to rise. Carbon dioxide is a heat-trapping gas, also known as a greenhouse gas, that comes from the extraction and burning of fossil fuels, such as coal, oil, and natural gas, from wildfires and natural processes like volcanic eruptions. The graph shows atmospheric carbon dioxide levels measured by NOAA-OSO at Mauna Loa Observatory, Hawaii, since 1958. This graph shows carbon dioxide levels during Earth's last 3 glacial cycles, as captured by air bubbles trapped in ice sheets and glaciers. The increase of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere since 2002. The 10 most recent years are the warmest years on record. The animation on this shows the change in global surface temperatures. Dark blue shows areas cooler than average. Dark red shows areas warmer than average. Short-term variations are smoothed out using a 5-year running average to make trends more visible in this map. This graph shows the change in global surface temperature compared to the long-term average from 1951 to 1980. Earth's average surface temperature in 2023 was the warmest on record since record-keeping began in 1880. Greenhouse gas molecules in the atmosphere absorb light, preventing some of it from escaping the Earth. This heats up the atmosphere and raises the planet's average temperature. Carbon dioxide molecules in the atmosphere trapping heat, incoming solar radiation in the form of arrows reaching the Earth's surface. Earth absorbing some of the energy and radiating heat back as infrared radiation. Carbon dioxide molecules absorbing this infrared radiation and re-radiating it back towards the Earth, demonstrating the greenhouse effect. Human activities such as burning fossil fuels, deforestation, and industrial processes have significantly increased the concentration of these gases in the atmosphere, leading to global warming. The impacts of climate change are felt worldwide. Global temperatures have risen by about 1.2 degrees Celsius since the late 19th century. This warming has led to the melting of ice caps and glaciers, contributing to rising sea levels and flooding coastal regions. Extreme weather events, such as hurricanes, droughts, and heat waves, are becoming more frequent and severe, causing widespread damage and displacement. Ecosystems and biodiversity are also at risk. Many species are facing extinction due to habitat loss and changing climate conditions. Human health is impacted by increased heat-related illnesses and the spread of diseases like malaria and dengue fever. Human activities are the primary contributors to climate change. Burning fossil fuels for energy releases large amounts of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. Deforestation for agriculture and urbanization reduces the number of trees that can absorb carbon dioxide. Livestock farming produces methane, a potent greenhouse gas. Industrial activities and improper waste management also contribute significantly to greenhouse gas emissions. The effects of climate change vary by region. In Africa, desertification and water scarcity threaten agriculture and livelihoods. In Asia, glacier melt in the Himalayas and changing monsoon patterns affect water supply and agriculture. Europe faces heat waves, biodiversity loss, and agricultural impacts. In North America, wildfires and hurricanes cause extensive damage to communities and infrastructure. South America experiences deforestation in the Amazon, leading to biodiversity loss and impacting indigenous communities. In Australia and Oceania, coral reef bleaching and sea level rise threaten marine life and coastal communities. It's said that the air we breathe is the essence of life. However, for residents of the following cities, the air they breathe daily might be far from pure. Air pollution has become a primary global concern in the last few decades, leading to numerous health and environmental challenges. Here's a look at the world's top most polluted cities and the pressing need for change. The most polluted cities in the world in 2024. Small particles pose the greatest risk to human health, while the nose can filter most coarse particles. Fine and ultrafine particles are inhaled deeper into the lungs, where they can be deposited or even pass into the bloodstream. To combat climate change, we need to adopt both mitigation and adaptation strategies. Switching to renewable energy sources like solar, wind, and hydro can significantly reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Energy efficiency in homes, industries, and transportation is also crucial. Reforestation and afforestation can absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Sustainable agriculture practices, such as crop rotation and organic farming, help reduce emissions and improve soil health. Effective waste management through recycling and composting reduces methane emissions from landfills. International agreements, like the Paris Agreement, and national policies play a vital role in setting targets and regulations to curb emissions. Every individual can contribute to the fight against climate change. Simple actions like reducing, reusing, and recycling can make a big difference. Conserving energy by using energy-efficient appliances and reducing car travel helps lower your carbon footprint. Supporting sustainable products and advocating for climate policies are other ways to make an impact. Staying informed and educating others about climate change is crucial in driving collective action. Climate change is a global challenge, but we can all be part of the solution. By making informed choices and taking collective action, we can protect our planet for future generations. It's not too late to make a difference. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, please like, share, and subscribe to stay updated. Until then, goodbye and take care.